Okay, so I noticed there's one more example on this page, so I might as well go ahead and do it for you all. Video 7 is just this last one. I'm going to maximize, or my problem is to maximize. We're not actually going to do that right now, but I have 3 different variables already in this one. We're just going to do the same thing that we did before. We're going to express the linear programming problem as a system of equations, and we're going to write the initial tableau. Okay, so again, I'll actually offset everything this time so that it'll look just like my tableau should. Alright, but for my first equation, I can write that as x1 minus 5x2 plus 3x3, and I'll add in s1 because that is my first equation. And over here I'll put equals 12. Alright, I might actually scoot that equal sign over even a little more. Okay. For my next equation, I have 8x1 plus x2 minus 4x3, and now I'm going to add in an s2 equals 29. Because I've added in my next slack variable. I don't have an s1 with that, I only have an s2. Alright. I'm not going to put these guys into my tableau, so I don't need to rewrite them. But I do need to rewrite my maximization function, and I want to put everything here over there. Alright, so I'll subtract for x1, I will subtract x2, I will add 2x3. And I've got my plus z equals 0. Right, so my last line here will be negative 4x1 minus x2 plus 2x3, and I'll put plus z over here equals 0. Okay, so my tableau that I'm going to have from this, I'll put it down here so that we have some room. We'll have columns for x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, and z. And then finally we will have our row that has our constants in it. I could write C there, but I don't need to add any more letters. Alright. That gives me for my coefficients then 1, negative 5, 3, 1. Then I don't have S2 or Z, so I'll put zeros and 12. Alright. Then I've got 8, 1, negative 4. I don't have S1. I do have S2. I do not have Z. Equals 29. And then finally, negative 4, negative 1, 2. I do not have S2 or S1, but I do have Z. And that all equals 0. So that is my initial simplex tableau. Again, whenever we do the simplex method, what we're going to want to do is what is called pivot in order to get these variables along my bottom row here to all be positive. Alright, and we will talk about how to do that in section 6.2.